Hey guys, welcome back. So quick update here on Bitcoin. I'm in the 1 hour candles this time so that we can see what's going on here from closer. And sorry, because this video, it's probably not gonna help you very much in making decisions, but it's more, I guess, a tutorial on pattern recognition. We have two patterns playing out at the same time here, and one being bearish and one being bullish. So it's very difficult to make a call here of what's gonna happen. So I'm going to show you one of them. You've probably seen it already in other videos, is the head and shoulder here that was just completed and it just broke down. So I'm not going to explain what a head and shoulders is because I'm sure all of you know, but the target for the head and shoulders down is 6,600 more or less. So if this head and shoulder hits the target, the target down is 6,600. But at the same time we have an ABCD pattern that just completed as well, and it's just it's perfect. It's the perfect math for this pattern, you will see. So from point A to point B, if we copy and paste this line and then we put it here from point C to point D, you see that there's the exact same vertical distance from point A to point B than from point C to point D. You see where this finishes, it's just where it finishes here. So the vertical distance is the same, and also the retracement, it's 61.8 from here. From bottom to top, we actually have to reverse this. So the retracement of C from C to D, it's 61.8%. So this is the perfect math. This is a perfect from the book ABCD pattern, and it was just completed, and this pattern is a reversal pattern. So if it's bearish, it means it's gonna reverse to bullish, and if it was bullish ABCD going up, it means it's a reversal and the trend is gonna go bearish. So but in this case, because it's an ABCD pattern going down, it means it's going to reverse and go to bullish. This pattern ABCD, if you look it up online on Google, on the Wikipedia, or on YouTube, if you look for tutorials on this pattern, it's one of the only patterns, if not the only one, that has 80% probability of being right once it completes. If the retracement is 61.8 and the distance from A to B equals from C to D, if it starts reversing here in D, you have an 80% chance that this is going into bullish now. I am not sure. I probably should look it up. I don't know what's the percentage of a head and shoulders pattern to complete, but I know the ABCD pattern has an 80% chance of if it completes and starts reversing, it means there's 80% chance that this is going bullish here. Now, you need to remember that 80% it's not 100%. So if this doesn't happen and the head and shoulders turns out to be the one that's gonna complete, you don't need to ask me what went wrong. If it was 80% probability, what happened, why it didn't go up? Well, I don't have the answer. You just need to know that 80% it's not 100%, and you need to know that the fact that I'm saying there's 80% chance, it's not because I want it to go up, it's because it's in every trading book. I'm not making it up, it's just something that's there. It's not my opinion, it's just what it is. But I wanted to show the contradiction of both patterns, and do with this information whatever you will. In my case, I'm not going to be selling because I have been saying in other videos that I wanted to sell part of my bitcoins right before the fork, maybe 2, 3 or 4 days before the fork, because I expected the correction to be then. But if this is going to correct now, I might as well just hold through the fork, probably. As I just said, I don't know if this is going to correct or if it's going to reverse from here and start going up again. I don't think the very top was 7,500 or 7,600. I don't think that was the very top. The chart for the total market cap, including Bitcoin, it doesn't get any more bullish than that. It's super bullish. So even if this corrects now, I think we will eventually break the all-time highs here again. So in my case, I'm not selling, but of course you need to make up your own, you need to have your own plan. I am not over invested in Bitcoin or in anything in crypto. I only invest very small percentages of my capital, so I know I'm not going to need that cash in 100 years. So that's why I don't take it very emotional. But if it makes you feel uncomfortable, if these head and shoulders make you feel uncomfortable, then I would for sure be exiting any position that makes me feel uncomfortable. Same goes for Bitcoin Cash. I'm very happy holding Bitcoin Cash. Nothing changed. If you freak out every 2 red candles that you see or every 5 red candles, then you might as well exit the position, because if you're not able to recognize that this is uptrending, and when you have a retracement in an uptrend, you get this big retracement in an uptrend, you're gonna be freaking out or selling at the lows, then it means you're not ready to trade. You should only buy and hold or not do anything at all, because nothing changed since my video yesterday for Bitcoin Cash. In fact, it's happening exactly what I said it would happen. I said we were bouncing here, we were starting to bounce, and I said I don't expect to make a higher high. I expect to make a lower high and come back to retest the moving average and this uptrend support, and then go up and eventually break out, but I don't expect a higher high. So nothing has changed today. If you are that scared, it means you probably have more money invested here than you should. So maybe you should sell some part of what you have invested and just keep a little investment there so that it doesn't make you nervous. So that's all I have for you today, guys. Thank you very much for watching, and I will see you soon. Bye.